candidates, Maharashtra State CET has commenced the registration process for Maharashtra CET MBA MMS 2023. In this video, we will show you how to fill Maharashtra CET MBA 2023 application form. First of all, go to the home page of Maharashtra CET web portal. Then click on MAH-MBA MMS CET 2023 tab. In the next page that will open, click on New Registration. Read the instructions given on the new page and click on the I accept and proceed option. In the registration page, fill the necessary details such as candidate's name, parents' details, date of birth, gender, nationality, email ID, phone number and address. Add a password and enter security. An OTP will be shared in your registered mobile phone number. Verify the OTP to proceed further. Note the application number flashing on the screen. Now log in with the application number to complete the form filling process. The MAH CET 2023 form has 9 steps and the candidate must complete them all for successful registration. Click on the Proceed to complete application form option and fill your domicile as well as PWD status. Next, enter your graduation details such as year of passing, course, duration and marks. Next, select 4 test cities for exam center allotment. In the next page, upload your passport size photo and scanned signature in the format and dimensions as prescribed. After uploading these documents, you have to upload a photo ID. You can select a photo ID and then upload the scanned copy of the same. Now, check the information entered in the application form and proceed for fees payment. In the fee payment window, check the details and make the requisite fee payment. The fee for open category student is Rs 1000 and for Maharashtra student it is Rs 800. Select the payment method, click on I agree checkbox and fill in the details to complete the MAH CET 2023 application form filling process. Feel free to share your queries regarding MAH CET registration process in the comment section below. All the best.